Ready to make your PowerPoint slides pop? Let me show you how to create a simple, fun bouncing ball animation, all using just shapes and motion paths. First, open PowerPoint and create a blank slide. Head to the Insert tab, click on Shapes and pick the oval, and draw your perfect circle. Color it however you like, then move it towards the top of your slide. Now, for the bounce. With the ball selected, go to Animations, and select Add Animation. Scroll down and pick Motion Paths. Choose the down path. You'll see a line appear. Drag the red arrow down to where you want the ball to land. But a real bounce needs some energy, right? So with the same ball, hit Add Animation again this time. Look for Up under Motion Paths. Now line up the green start point of up with the red end point of down. That way your ball bounces right back up. To make it feel real, click Animation Pane. Set both animations to start with previous and tweak their duration. Add a little ease in and ease out by right-clicking the animation bar. This smooths out the motion. Hit slideshow and watch that ball bounce. There you go, a quick, easy way to bring your slides to life. Try it out, get creative, and see what you can make bounce next.